How to at EMU, reading your academic transcript. Begin by logging into your My Emich account. From the My Emich homepage, find the Academic Transcript tab. Next, under the Transcript Level drop-down menu, select All Levels or Undergraduate, and in the Transcript Type drop-down, select Web Transcript. Your digital academic transcript will appear next. By scrolling down through the transcript, you will see your academic history in order of first credits earned to your current enrollment. You will also see items such as class subjects, the number of credits earned, grade earned per course, etc. The grade column. Pay close attention to the grade column on your academic transcript. This column is especially important for transfer students who need to know which credits from which courses from their previous institution will transfer over. Understanding transfer credits. If EMU has awarded the transfer credit, the grade for the previously taken course will show as TCR. If transfer credit is not awarded, the grade will show as TNC. Students can also use the online platform Transferology to see how courses that have been taken can transfer to another college or university for credit. Reasons a course may read TNC. TNC stands for Transfer No Credit, which means no credit transferred over for the course previously taken. TCR stands for Transfer Credit Received, which means credits for previously taken courses will transfer over at the new university. Other reasons a course may read TNC. The grade earned was under a C grade. The course is below college level, or the course was taken at a non-regionally accredited institution. Transfer credits explained. EMU awards transfer credits for courses that students have taken at regionally accredited colleges or universities as long as the student earned a C grade or above. Not all courses taken by students who transfer to EMU will be awarded credit at EMU. Please see the Transfer Equivalencies tool, which lists courses from over 40 colleges and universities, to find out if your credits transfer at app.emich.edu/transfereq. What is an MTA? The Michigan Transfer Agreement, or MTA, allows for the transfer of 30 credits of core general education classes from a Michigan community college to a Michigan baccalaureate college or university. Students are able to complete the MTA as a part of an associate's degree at their community college or as a standalone package. The MTA satisfies EMU's effective communication, quantitative reasoning, and knowledge of the discipline's general education requirements. Transfer students with an MTA endorsement on their transcript will only need to complete the Perspectives on a Diverse World, if it is not transferred, and one approved LBC course or experience, as well as one writing intensive course for general education. Other codes that students may see on their academic transcript include those that discuss repeated courses. If the course has been repeated as excluded from GPA calculations, it will be indicated with an E. If the course has been repeated as included in GPA calculations, it will be indicated with an I. Other transcript codes that students may notice include those that are not used in GPA calculation, such as I for incomplete, NC for no credit, and W for withdrawal. If you have any further questions, you can contact the University Advising Center for more information.